Hey everyone, today I'll be building my Ryzen system. It's temporarily built in my H440. It will have the Crosshair 6, the Ryzen 2700X, 16 gig of RAM, Samsung B-die, Seasonic 850 watt platinum power supply, and I'll also be testing my LG to 240 Hz display with it. I'll be get going. This is my temporary build because everything my case is at home and I'm not at home right now. I'm at my parents because I'll be working here for about 3 months or so. So let's get going. I won't be filming everything, but I will be showing from time to time the process of building and what problems I have encountered. So I have mounted two 120 millimeter fans in front, two up top for exhaust, one 14 centimeters in back. Here up top I have sealed the front outtake because it's better if it's sealed a little bit from the point of air circulation, and I'll be leaving the power supply intake empty because it's only getting dust in that area and nothing more, because the intake is from the down of the case. Now I have put in the PCB. It is really nice because here is a knob type thing. Next I will be putting all the screws inside. Also the backplate is already pre-installed on this motherboard. Here I have 8 USB 3.0, USB type C, USB USB type B 3.1, and BIOS USB and USB 2.0. The Wi-Fi, the CMOS clear, the BIOS update without the CPU, 1 gigabit Ethernet. This is actually Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo, and the onboard sound. Okay, next we'll be installing my CPU. It has been so long since I have installed the CPU, so first you need to take off the AM4 razor, or what? The holder of the CPU pins. Wait a little bit. Okay. Next, you're taking up the Ryzen CPU. I'm not really sure how to align it. Okay. There is no knob here. I'll be putting it a little bit back to see some instructions of the motherboard especially. as you can see here, the golden part is in the left down corner. This is the shiny gold, and it fits. Okay, next, pulling down the CPU holder. Next in line, I'll be mounting the CPU cooler. I have taken it out. So if I'm mounting it I think this is the proper mounting. Yes, with AMD logo up top. Okay, the paste is not really evenly spread. This is some dark contamination. Hope it works as intended. And that's all, just the grip. Let's try it. This will be my we have a knob here. Okay. So okay, I figured it out how this works. First you're fitting the first part on this side. Let's use a little tiny screwdriver, or not. Okay. So first it must come this side on. Next the other one. Well, the CPU isn't as friendly as I thought it would be. Fit in there. So it actually clicked down there. Let's get on this side the same. This actually is not the easiest and funniest CPU cooler install. Okay. Just a little knob. And let's push down. Yes. it stays pretty tight. A little bit of wobble, but nothing bad. Let's see, where is the CPU fan? Okay, I have found it. It's in the middle, in the top of the motherboard. So the CPU fan is connected. Okay. Did not see where the LEDs come in. So no LEDs for now. Or they are here. Oh, we have two zones here. Okay, I will be getting all that shit a little bit later together. Nice. Okay. Next in line is the RAM. Let's see which is the dominant primary RAM. Okay. Asus kind of has this just slide in on one side. I've actually had on my other motherboard the same experience. Okay. Have populated the first slot. Now let's populate the second slot. It clicked on one side, now another side. The RAM sits pretty tight-ish. Okay. Next in line, I think it would be the GPU. This is my 970 GTX, but I think I need to connect some other fans before it. I'll be putting it aside a little bit. Now let's focus on the power supply and the SSD mount in the front. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. So I have kind of routed the cables and installed all the power supply here up top, where we cannot see shit. Here up top is the CPU power connectors. Here is the motherboard. I have connected the SATA SSD. Okay. Here down is the USB 3.0, front USB 2.0. There are the front I/O jumpers, the power button and all that stuff. Okay. I don't know why everything looks that crappy. And here is the back of the case. Here are routed the power for the CPU. The front fans are connected to the hub. I know they're a little bit messy, but I will fix them. I will route to the motherboard. Here up top is the Seagate SSD. Next I'll be mounting the GPU. I have finished setting up my desktop. Let's see if it boots up, because this is the moment I have been waiting. Okay, 1, 2. As you can see, I don't know why, but the Asus logo has been lit up. Maybe this is normal. My power or either reset button is on, the start button on the crosshair, and the logos. Of course, the shitty focusing of this Note 8 is omnipotent here. So let's start the and nothing happens when I push up the buttons. And I have connected all the components to the motherboard. This is my first run of this computer and these parts, so I will be troubleshooting now to see what's the problem. So actually I have pressed the start button and it worked right away. There are the postcodes up there. Let's focus on something because I'm getting really nervous. I think it's self-testing itself. The noise you're hearing is from front fans, which is normal. Let's see if we are or not on the display port. Yes, the display port is set. The motherboard is running some tests from what I'm seeing. And posting. As you can see, this is the Asus Crosshair VII Hero Wi-Fi. The BIOS revision is 0601. I think the latest BIOS is 800 and something. The DDR are set by default to 2133. As you can see, the text, I have 3 keyboards, but that's not right, and 1 mouse. The Seagate is detected, and it says that new CPU is detected, and I should configure my system. So I'll be pressing F1. Okay. Let's see. So here in the BIOS we are running on 30 degrees right now, with 1.38 volts. I will need to install the BIOS, the Windows, and then I can do all the stuff I need. The BIOS upgrade and other tweaking. But the first boot has started. Everything looks good. The voltages are within range. I don't know if it's the 3% which it's advertised. Okay, I'll be getting with some updates soon.